In the debate about cost of living, Parliament must take the blame, because there's nothing that passes as a matter of law without the concurrence of Parliament, and members of Parliament must be blamed. Kenyans, you must blame your members of Parliament, because members of Parliament is the reason why we are facing this high cost of living. These laws are passed in Parliament, and our members have decided to go to bed with the President, with Ruto, and anything that comes on the floor of the House, even simple things that are affecting the lives of Kenyans, even matters that Kenyans have debated through public participation, and they have said this one we do not want. Members of Parliament go ahead and pass those things at the detriment of Kenyans.
The problem we have is that the government will do the things that they want to do and then return to Parliament and sanitize. As we are speaking, the air that you're breathing has already been sold as carbon air in Dubai and in the European countries, where the president is going around hawking under those forums.